Did you know one woman stopped an army with nothing but her words? Her name was Abigail. Her husband Nabal had just insulted David in front of everyone, and David was already moving. 400 soldiers, swords drawn, an oath sworn. Every man in that household would be dead by morning. Abigail didn't panic. She didn't warn her husband. She loaded the donkeys herself, rode out alone into the dark, and placed herself in the road in front of an approaching army. No weapon, no escort, no leverage, just words. She dismounted and bowed low before David, and then she did something no one expected. She didn't beg for mercy. She reminded David of who he was becoming. She told a man burning with rage that a future king could not afford this blood on his hands. David stopped. He listened. He turned back. One woman, alone in the road, changed the course of Israel's next king, and most people have never heard her name. Abigail. Remember it.